How to delete Instagram account permanently. Open the Instagram app. Tap the profile icon in the lower right corner. Next, open the menu by tapping on the icon in the upper right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings page that opens, tap on Account Center. Then select Personal Details. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Go to Account Ownership and Control by tapping on it. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Next, tap on the account you want to delete. In the page that opens, select Delete Account and tap on the Continue button. I'll select the Something Else option. Next, click on the Continue button. Enter the password for your Instagram account and tap on the Continue button. A confirmation window will appear to confirm the deletion of your account. Read all the information carefully, and if you agree, then tap on the Delete Account button. Your Instagram account will be deleted. Thank you for watching.